Technology is all over the place, and slowly but surely it's gaining control over our life, and we are also getting consumed by it. But we can't also completely cut technology from our day-to-day life, so that we can focus on the things that matters the most, like our drawings. So what we need balance, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the extremely practical steps that you can take to reduce your technology usage. And the things I'm gonna talk about in this video is completely practical, and I also use those techniques to minimize my technology usage. You can definitely see my screen time this week. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So personally, I don't use that much technology. I only have a phone that used to consume most of my time, and because of that, I couldn't really do anything throughout my day because I was sticked to my phones. So there is an app called Stay Focus. Find it on Play Store or App Store. So I use that application to reduce my daily usage of the apps that consume most of my attention. Like I have said that I can spend only 25 minutes on Instagram throughout the day, and I have said that I can only spend like 20 minutes on my YouTube every day, and that's how I personally reduce my technology usage on my phone. And there is also a good way to use your phone as a productive thing. So if you want to become an artist, you have to learn about uh, different types of techniques, different types of artists. Also, you need to study their art also. So what you can do, you can go online and search for courses, and you can either buy those courses, and or you can do a thing that pirates used to do. If you are smart, you have already get my point. So there is already you can already use your phone for gaining so much information from online, and you can literally learn anything from internet. If we have the right intentions, we can definitely use internet or technology in our benefits. So identify the apps or the websites that consume most of your time, and block those websites or apps to a certain time period. Like I do like 20 minutes every day. You can do like 1 hour every day and reduce that over time. So if you are doing like 1 hour today, you can do 50 minutes yesterday, like that. Slowly but surely you will reduce your phone usage or your technology usage day by day, and as you progress you will see a difference. And that was it for this video. See you in the next video. And if you want to get more clients as an artist, watch this video.